Fracture Mechanics Fundamentals, Problems and Solutions Training, Tonex Training. Length, 2 days. Fracture Mechanics Fundamentals Training is a 2-day preparing program giving fundamentals of exhaustion in fracture ideas and principles, examination and design, necessities building, computations, check, hazard evaluations, approval, system, facility operations and maintenance, O&M. This pragmatic 2-day course is planned for engineers, venture administrators, experts and any other person who is intrigued to specify or assess testing and draft exhaustion or fracture examination, necessities building, design, chance evaluation and testing. Learn about Fracture Mechanics 101. Fundamentals of Continuum Mechanics. Theory of elasticity relevant to fracture mechanics. Investigation of linear elastic and elastic plastic fracture mechanics. Microstructural effects on fracture in metals, ceramics, polymers, thin films, biological materials and composites. Toughening mechanisms. Crack growth resistance and creep fracture. Fatigue damage and dislocation substructures. Fatigue crack growth models and mechanisms. Variable amplitude fatigue. Corrosion fatigue. Fatigue in structural, bioimplant, and microelectronic components. System analysis, design, and corrective preventive measures and more. Course outline. Introduction to fracture mechanics. Elastic crack models and modeling. Fracture and materials. Principles behind fatigue crack growth. Fatigue crack growth analysis and modeling. Fracture mechanics of metallic materials. Fracture mechanics of composite materials. Fracture mechanics system analysis, design, 5 and 5, and corrective preventive measures. Fracture mechanics control requirements. Fracture mechanics and failure analysis. Case studies in fracture mechanics. Request more information regarding fracture mechanics training course. Visit tonex.com for course and workshop detail.